Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade PayPal for better online transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your PayPal account for better online transactions, start by navigating to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or settings menu. Click on it to access your account settings. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Upgrade to Business Account or Change Account Type. If you're an individual user, the business account provides several advantages for online transactions. Select the option to upgrade and review the benefits listed. Fill in the required information for your business account. This includes your business name, contact information, and the type of business you operate. After entering the necessary details, click on Continue to proceed. You may be prompted to link your bank account or credit card for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete these steps. Once your business account is set up, explore features designed to improve transactions. Check out PayPal's invoicing system to streamline payments. Consider integrating PayPal with your online store or website for easy checkout. Review security settings and enable two-factor authentication. Stay informed about transaction fees by reviewing the fee structure on PayPal's website. Download the PayPal app for convenient access to your account on mobile devices. Regularly check for updates to ensure you're using the latest features. Utilize PayPal's customer support resources if you encounter any issues during the upgrade process. After completing these steps, you'll be better equipped for efficient online transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.